Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Miss Dot. Today we're doing a chicken stew. I'm doing it in my pressure cooker. For everyone that have a pressure cooker, air fryer at home, this is what you can use it in. People that got air fryers and pressure cookers that say, I don't know how to use my pressure cooker or my air fryer. Nothing don't turn out right. Here you go. Well, for my ingredients, I have 3 skinless chicken breasts. You can use chicken thighs, chicken legs. You can use with the bone in, bone out, with the skin on it. Just after they get done, just take the skin off. I also have 4 potatoes that I peeled and cubed. I got it sitting in water so they won't get brown. I have 1/3 cup of cornstarch, 1/3 cup of flour, 1½ cup of water. That is to make my roux, to make the stew kind of thicker. I have my parsley leaves. I have my basil. I have my oregano, my Italian seasoning. I have my minced onion, 1 can of corn. You can use canned corn, you can use frozen corn. You can also put tomatoes, diced tomatoes, if people want diced tomatoes in theirs as well. I have black pepper and salt. I also have Tony's and Paprika. So now we're going to put the chicken in the pressure cooker. Hold on, let me wash my hands. Okay, now we're going to put on the lid. And just bear with me because sometimes this lid gives me a hard time. Now that we got the lid on, we're going to put on pressure. We're going to go down here to chicken setting. We're going to just take, oh, my lid's still not right. Hold on, y'all. Okay, now the lid is right. This thing get on my nerve. But, okay. It's on 30. It's in the orange, so it's not warmed up yet. Once it's turned red, the pressure gonna come up and it will start cooking. It takes 30 minutes to pressure cook the chicken. And once the chicken get done cooking, we will take the chicken out and we're gonna spread it. Then we're gonna add the potatoes into the chicken broth and let that pressure cook, and then we're going to get done with the whole process. Okay, now that the chicken breast is done, we're going to remove them so we can shred them. And now we're going to add in the potatoes also in the same water that the chicken came out of. Okay, I put it on pressure cook and put it on vegetables. It's on orange, so it's still orange. Pressure gonna build up, and when it's built up, we're gonna start cooking. So now we're going to do the roux for. We're gonna do the roux for the chicken stew. Oh, and I also forgot about the bouillon, the chicken bouillon. You can use the powder or you can use the cubes. Just one, that's all it takes. Because you already got the flavor from the boiled chicken. So we're going to use the flour, the 1/3 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of cornstarch, and the 1/2 cup of water. We're going to whisk this together. Until it's firmly whisked all together. Without no humps or anything, everything is combined together real nicely. And it should look like this, no clumps or anything. Okay, the chicken is shredded. Now I'm just waiting on the potatoes to get done. It's on 6 minutes. It don't take long for the potatoes to get done in the pressure cooker. And once the potatoes get done, I'm going to add in the shredded chicken and the corn and all of the seasonings. And then they're going to simmer for a good extra 10 minutes. So the seasonings can sit in the stew. Okay, now that the potatoes is done, we're going to add back in the chicken that we shredded. We'll add in the corn. The minced garlic. Minced onion. I'm sorry, y'all. Minced onion. I will have the description of how much that you can use, or you can use to your taste. Parsley. Basil. Oregano. Italian seasoning. Tony's Creole seasoning. A little paprika. Salt. Black black pepper. The pack of Bouillon powder, or if you got cubes, use the cubes. I'll stir this together. Now I'm going to add in the roux that I made with the 1/3 flour, 1/3 cornstarch, and half of water. I'm going to stir it together. Gonna let it simmer for a good 10 minutes so that it can thicken and the season can cook through it. And I will come back and let y'all see the finished product. It's looking good, y'all. Okay, now that the chicken stew is done, and it smells so good in here, y'all. It is good. This is good for the winter time, and it's also good for if you just want to eat something warm at all, period. It's also good for a one quick meal. If you, say for instance, you working all day and you just want to throw something together and you want to have something there for the next day, for your family, this would be a good thing to have to do for your family. Because basically this can serve at least you can eat out of this at least 8 times, depends on how big the bowls are. Yeah, you can at least eat out of this at least 8 times, depending on how the bowls are, because that's basically, because I have when I make soups and stews, I have them for a couple of days because I love soup and stews, and I can keep them for a couple of days. And basically, trying to eat healthy, that's what I do. I make pots of stews. So if y'all like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. The description of how to make this stew will be in the box below. And thank y'all, and have a blessed and wonderful night.